Hello friends, I welcome you to episode 10 of Walk the Stock. I am Rupak and I represent iFinStrats. Well, today's talk, which I've picked up for you, is from the sector of household and personal products. I'm sure most of you would have used some or the other product from this lovely company, and the company is Emami Limited. Now, Emami Limited is trading at about 526 rupees, and it is showing up some kind of good momentum. The stock has been resisting its old time 9 years old resistance somewhere at around 682 rupees or so, which is back from 2015 August. It made a high of 682, and it is just about ready to break its high of 682 in the next few weeks or next couple of months. Stock is a low beta stock. It is at about, the beta is running at about 0.63, and the market capitalization of the stock is about 22,900 crores. Now, I will do this analysis for you, but I request you to talk to your financial advisor and do your bit of analysis if at all you are looking at taking any kind of position in Emami. So, without wasting any time, let's deep dive into Emami charts and see what the charts and what the price action is telling us there. So here we are on the Emami chart. I've opened up the monthly chart of Emami just to showcase to you the kind of resistance it has been holding for the past few years. So it is exactly the first time it made an all-time high on 3rd of August 2015 for 682.5 rupees. And since then, it has held to that resistance, and Emami has been resisting at least about 3 times, as I am showcasing to you here. Um, from the point of view of momentum, let's have a look at this chart a little more. Let's deep dive into this chart. But one good thing I see here before we see anything here at this point of time is the chart is consistently showcasing higher highs and higher lows. So there is a kind of volatility contraction I do see on this chart, because it's making on a monthly basis higher highs, the higher lows, and the high point is sticking at the same resistance line. Let's quickly deep dive into the weekly charts for a minute and see where we stand with respect to the weekly charts. Now, if you see, very interesting. Um, Emami is showcasing a good move in the last 3 or 4 weeks here, and also it is all set to look at a crossover of 22 and 44 WMA weighted moving average. That's what I can see here. It is obviously going into an up move because the chart is trading above my magical moving bands of 200 EMA, high and low, which are here. So all in all, bullishness is back to Emami, and it is it is not far off from this resistance zone, which, if it once breaks, is going to shoot up higher in the uncharted territories. Let's also look at some more things here. Let me plot some more things here for you. Um, let's go back and look at the. Let me just go back and plot the resistance line where it resisted for the past so many years. But let's look at some other indicators on weekly basis, which is nothing but the RSI, which is showcasing a good bullish momentum because RSI is trading above 50 EMA, which is, I'm sorry, the 50 mark here. And the ADX is showing some trend strength on a weekly chart with relative strength showcasing that Emami is performing better than the broader index, which is Nifty. Let's also have a quick check on the on balance volume. The on balance volume is on an up move again here, if you see, and on balance volume is showcasing above 50 DMA with the price rising. All good story getting made on Emami. Emami showcasing some kind of volatility contraction here on a weekly chart. So when we are looking at a stock on monthly or weekly chart, the trends are that much stronger. The trends showcase that much better than when you see it in a lower time frame. But notwithstanding all, let's also deep dive into the daily chart of Emami and see where does Emami stand on a daily chart point of view. And as I said, look here, very interesting. The 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 RSI is already trading above 60. ADX is showing a beautiful trend strength. You are just seeing a 55-day uh, 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 reference of broader index Nifty to the Emami, and Emami is showcasing a good amount of strength. Let's quickly have a look at the on balance volume on a daily basis, and look at this. The on balance volume as well is showing good volume strength with price strength coming in. That's what we also saw in the weekly chart. So all in all, very good stock at this point of time for some kind of a swing trade, and I think I would I would really be very interested in this stock from here on, because the stock has got good uh, good potential to break its long-term resistance. I am not intentionally giving you any kind of stop loss and targets on Emami. I would want you to do that analysis yourself and figure out what would be the best price action time to pick up the stock, and at what point you would want to place your stop loss and what target you would be shooting here for Emami. I would love to uh, hear from you on the comments as to what target you are tracking it to, what stop loss you are putting it against, and let's see if your analysis and my analysis match up at some point. So, with this, I think we are done for today's stock analysis. I hope you like this analysis of mine, and please consult your financial advisor once again, as I keep repeating, and do your own analysis before taking any kind of position on Emami. Notwithstanding all, I also want to really quickly let you all guys know that at iFinStrats we do a lot of technical trainings, such kind of analysis, but we are not entertaining any kind of um, paid out channels like the Telegram and Instagram and so on. I've heard this in the past couple of days that people are trying to, uh, in the name of iFinStrats, create this kind of a thing that they are asking money and all that stuff for giving the targets and the stop loss. I please request you and urge you, kindly refrain from such hoax, from such uh, such people. If you've got any doubt, write to us directly. Our WhatsApp number is on the screen. Please, 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 please do not pay a single rupee to anybody. At iFinStrats, we charge nothing because we plan to do an educational analysis for all of you, and this is not on chargeable basis at all. So kindly refrain from paying anyone if he comes across to you on Telegram channel or on any other Instagram or any other channel. So with this, I leave you for today. Thank you very much, and I hope you will like my analysis in the upcoming days also. and keep liking our and keep subscribing our channel. You have a very nice evening. I'll catch up again with you all guys tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.